In this video, you will discover how pursuing a Valuation Masters can open doors to exciting career opportunities in the real estate sector in India. Many aspiring real estate professionals struggle to stand out in a competitive job market, facing challenges like lack of specialized skills and industry knowledge. This makes it tough for them to land their dream jobs, and they often end up feeling frustrated and uncertain about their career paths. The real estate sector is highly competitive, and having a unique skill set can definitely give you an edge. Without the right skills and knowledge, it's easy to get lost in the crowd. The right education can be a game changer in such scenarios. A master's degree in valuation can equip you with the expertise needed to excel in this field. Valuation Masters programs are designed to provide you with a deep understanding of real estate markets, valuation techniques, and industry trends. Explore the curriculum of a Valuation Masters program, the critical skills it imparts, and how it aligns with current industry demands, setting you apart from other candidates. These programs cover a wide range of topics, including financial modeling, market analysis, and regulatory frameworks. You will learn how to analyze complex data, make informed decisions, and communicate effectively with clients and stakeholders. By mastering these skills, you can position yourself as a valuable asset to potential employers. The curriculum is often designed in consultation with industry experts, ensuring that you learn the most relevant and up-to-date skills. This alignment with industry demands makes you a highly sought-after candidate. Highlight success stories of individuals who transformed their careers after obtaining a Valuation Masters, showcasing the tangible benefits and opportunities they experienced. One such success story is that of a student who was able to land a job at a top real estate firm after completing her Valuation Masters. She credits the program for giving her the confidence and skills to excel in a competitive job market. Another example is of a professional who was able to transition from a non-real estate background to a successful valuation career after completing the program. These success stories demonstrate the impact that a Valuation Masters can have on your career. The degree can open doors to new opportunities and help you build a strong professional network. Recap the importance of a Valuation Masters in enhancing your qualifications and increasing your chances of securing a desirable position in the real estate industry. A Valuation Masters degree can be a powerful tool in your job search, setting you apart from other candidates and demonstrating your commitment to the field. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.